That's the mutton or lamb, fresh as we bought from the supermarket. Add salt.
What Chinese salt? We're putting the water.
Mix properly. Cover for 10 minutes. After some time, wash with fresh water.
The blood coming out, you remember.
Then put it in the water for some time until the blood seeps out into the water. Put some ginger slices in. Slice a lime and couple of pieces, put in the water. Add little wine, which will remove the smell of the meat. Add a pinch of salt. This whole thing good smelling. Oh. Bay leaves, onions, dry orange skins, Sichuan pepper, cinnamon, gochujang, that's a Chinese spice, ginger, and Chinese dates. After half an hour, you can see the blood has seeped into the water, leaving the lamb fresh and nicer. Throw away the water. Wash it again thoroughly so that the remnant blood goes out. Place it inside a pot. Now here, as you can see, we are using ceramic pots. We prefer ceramic over metal pans. Place the meat in a larger saucepan which can accommodate it properly. Add all the ingredients in. Add water sufficiently to cover the meat. Then boil it at moderate flame. When you are boiling it, there can be foam on the surface. Remove that foam. Add some more wine into the liquid or into the water. This remnant water after boiling this is similar to broth, meat broth, which you can use for another dish. or this remnant water you can use for a soup or a stew at the same time. Chopped garlic. Chopped ginger. Add light soy sauce. 1 teaspoon light soy sauce. Add vinegar. 1.5 tablespoon. Teaspoon. 1.5 teaspoon. Stir.
Little salt, please.
Add little salt. Pinch of salt.
Yeah, pinch of salt. Then olive oil.
Add olive oil.
Then I will try to just put this one.
What is this?
Put it in my side.
Green chili.
Green chili for you only. But that's the show.
Add little green chili.
Chili. Okay.
Stir. Add little bit of water. Stir.
Then
These are the prepared mix for 2 persons.
You make it dirty. Now this is almost ready.
So unwanted stuff
Yeah.
shall be taken out from the boiling pot.
1.5 hours
After boiling for 1.5 hours,
to 2 hours.
the remnant shall be taken out,
Yeah.
and now this is the
Now
already
it's,
boiled one. Now it is already ready.
Yeah.
Now put off the fire and take the
Yes.
now take the meat out.
Yeah. Like this, beneath, and then put inside here.
Let it cool for some time,
Yeah.
and then meat is peeled off.
I can peel now. Good smell, huh? Actually, people those just put there, then use hand to take.
Peel off.
Yeah, peel off by hand. 所以这个手抓又 grab, but peeling off by the hand, you know? Yeah, maybe here. Actually, it should be a little. Oh, it's finished.
That is the finished dish.
The soup later.
We have included the full list of ingredients and the method of preparation in detail in the description below. Fish is ready for 2 persons. Chop
onion,
spring onion,
green.
green part, and sprinkle onto that. Dear viewers, we wish to hear your thoughts as comments below. That will be appreciated. At the same time, do not forget to subscribe. That means a lot for us.